Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unhide comments on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unhide comments on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app on your phone. And on this interface of the Instagram, guys, at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile picture icon at the bottom right, just beside the Reels icon. Tap on your profile icon. And over here again at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three-lined icon. Tap on that three-lined icon. When this appears, guys, we'll be required to scroll down until you can see there is the comments option available for us just below the how others can interact with you. Tap on comments, and over here you can see allow comments from. Currently I have done it to everyone, where it unhides all of the comments on Instagram. But if you had chosen your options like people you follow and your followers, or your followers only, then your comments will be hidden for those who are outside of your account. And in order to unhide your comments on Instagram, guys, make sure that everyone is chosen over here and the comments will be unhidden. But guys, if you want to unhide a specific comment on your particular post, open up the post on which you have a comment hidden. Like this, guys, I have a comment. Now in order to hide it, you can see there is the hide button available for us just below the comment. Tap on hide, and you can see the comment is hidden. Tap on OK, so that comment is hidden. Now in order to hide that comment on the particular post, tap on the see hidden comments, and there is the unhide button over here. Tap on that unhide button, tap on unhide again. This way, guys, all of your comments on Instagram will be unhidden. And guys, this is how to unhide comments on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.